Welcome to the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast, your weekly gateway to the latest news and developments shaping Namibia's dynamic oil and gas sector. It's Friday, 10 July 2026, and I'm Harrison Musimuko with the latest news, updates, and insights from the Namibia oil and gas industry. Let's dive in. This week's top headlines. President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah to deliver keynote at Youth in Oil and Gas Summit. Galp Appoints Saave Nakashole as Deputy Country Manager in Namibia. Deepsea Mira rigs wrap up Shell's drilling job off Namibia. Ambassador Selma Ashipala-Musavyi promotes Namibia's green hydrogen sector.
The future of energy is happening in Namibia. Join industry leaders, investors, policymakers, and innovators at the 4th Namibia Oil and Gas Conference in Windhoek, the premier platform shaping the next chapter of Africa's energy sector. Discover the latest developments across exploration, production, infrastructure, and local content opportunities. Connect with key decision makers through exclusive networking sessions designed to spark partnerships and drive investment. Explore a dynamic exhibition showcasing cutting-edge technologies, solutions, and services from leading companies across the oil and gas value chain. Don't miss your opportunity to be part of the conversation, connections, and opportunities transforming Namibia's energy landscape. Register today at namibiaoilandgasconf.com and join us at the 4th Namibia Oil and Gas Conference.
President to deliver keynote at Youth in Oil and Gas Summit. President Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah has been confirmed to deliver the presidential keynote address at the 3rd Youth in Oil and Gas Summit, taking place in Walfish Bay from the 23rd to the 25th of July 2026. Held under the theme From Discovery to Development, Talent, Capital, and Local Content, the summit will bring together government leaders, industry executives, investors, students, and young professionals to discuss Namibia's emerging energy sector. The President's participation highlights the growing national importance of youth empowerment and local content as Namibia moves closer to becoming an oil-producing nation. The program will focus on workplace readiness, entrepreneurship, skills development, and creating opportunities for young Namibians to participate across the country's expanding energy value chain. Galp Appoints Saave Nakashole as Deputy Country Manager in Namibia. Galp has appointed Saave Nakashole as Deputy Country Manager for Public and Operational Affairs at its Namibia subsidiary, strengthening the country's local leadership team. Nakashole joins Galp after 14 years at NAMCO, where she gained extensive experience in geoscience, upstream development, and asset evaluation, working closely with government institutions, international operators, and joint venture partners. With a comment on this, Saave Nakashole, Deputy Country Manager of Galp Namibia.
Taking on this role at such a transformational moment for Namibia's energy sector is both an honor and an incredible privilege. On a personal level, this milestone means so much to me because as a proud product of Petrofund, this appointment isn't just a win for me, but a direct testament to the power of local content development in the country. This is a clear demonstration that when we invest in our people, the sky is the limit. So what is next from here? I am ready to dive into this new chapter of my career, where my focus will be about supporting Galp's public and operational affairs priorities and really strengthening those vital institutional partnerships within the industry. What we ultimately want to achieve is to contribute to an energy development future that is responsible, sustainable, and aligned with national priorities.
Galp says the appointment reflects its commitment to develop local expertise, strengthening collaboration with Namibian institutions, and supporting responsible and sustainable energy development. Nakashole holds qualifications in geology, environmental science, and petroleum geoscience from the University of Namibia, Rhodes University, Hotwot University, and has completed extensive management training at Stellenbosch University. Deepsea Mira rig wraps up Shell's drilling job off Namibia. The Deepsea Mira semi-submersible drill rig has completed its offshore drilling campaign for Shell and is now demobilizing to Walfish Bay for planned upgrades ahead of future operations. The rig, owned by Northern Ocean and managed by Offshore Drilling, completed the contract on 2nd July after commencing work in April 2026. Although Shell did not exercise its option for a second well, the contract generated approximately $31 million in revenue for Northern Ocean. The company says it continues to market the rig for new operations and remains optimistic for that growing demand in harsh environment drilling capacity to secure additional work during the second half of 2026. Ambassador Selma Ashipala-Musavyi promotes Namibia's green hydrogen sector. Namibia's Minister of International Relations and Trade, Ambassador Selma Ashipala-Musavyi, has promoted Namibia's green hydrogen potential to more than 300 business leaders during a business forum held in Shanghai alongside President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah's official visit to China. The minister highlighted Namibia's exceptional renewable energy resources and the country's ambition to become a global leader in green hydrogen production. She noted that the flagship Tsaukaib Green Hydrogen project is already attracting billions of dollars in investment and stressed that Namibia's vision extends beyond energy exports. The country aims to develop a new generation of clean manufacturing industries, including green ammonia, sustainable aviation fuel, and green steel, positioning Namibia as a major player in the global green economy. Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast. I'm Harrison Musimuko. If you'd like to contribute with news and information, please contact us at info@namiboilandgas.com. For more news, information, resources, and updates of the week, visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com. Whether you're an industry professional, an investor, or simply curious about this exciting sector, feel free to share our podcast and follow us on your favorite podcast player. Join us next time as we continue to explore the top stories driving Namibia's energy future.